Hi, this is Michelle with another Cat's Meow. This one is from Amarylis Casanova. And we'll see how many times I knock over the camera in this one. I think in the one that I filmed for Cheryl, I knocked it over like 4 times and had to pause it like 4 times and then spilt the pen all over me because I don't know how to open a pen. So we'll see. I am horrible at these. So this is from Amarylis. I'm going to move this box. It'd be easier to open. And she did this little card. That's cute. Hello. And she put, it was a pleasure putting this box together with goodies for you. Hope you enjoy everything in the box, which I'm sure I will. I created a journal Midori style for you. Left it rather plain for you to do whatever you wish with it. Cool. Amarylis. Oh, cool. I'm excited about that. I like journals and junk journals and whatnot. Oh, wow. I put the box down on the floor so I'd have more room on my table, and I just pulled all the tissues off and it like revealed a box of happiness. She sent me these paper studio tags, which would be great to put in journals. I like to do junk journals. Nice. That's cute. Nice. Sorry, I just realized I didn't mute my TV. Sorry. I think I have paper that matches these. Because that one looks familiar. I think I've got paper that matches these tags. Thank you. Ooh, and then she sent me lovely trim. And I don't have any trim like this. This is cute trim. Let's see if I can pull a piece out. It's nice trim. Thank you. Wow, these are nice glass beads. They're heavy. Nice. Beautiful. And they match that tag pad too. They're beautiful. Very heavy. These are nice glass beads too. Look at that one. Very cool. I've never seen any like this. Those are cool. Thank you. Good quality beads. Oh, those are cute. Cute. Is that a ruler? It sure is. I'm not going to be able to get it in the frame good. That's a ruler though. There's a ruler and a little cabochon and a button and a pair of scissors. I almost want to make that into a charm for a necklace. And leave it just like that. That's cute. Are these cute flowers? Cute flowers. Oh, nice. Nice, very cool bead caps. Aren't they neat? Neat bead caps. Those are beautiful. Thank you. Beautiful. Yeah, beautiful little trim. Very pretty. I like these skinny ones because you can use them on everything. I'm not going to pull it out. Nice. Thank you, Amarylis. Ooh. Those are cool. They're wood chalkboard tags. There's a lot of them in there. 12 pieces. Those are cool. Nice. Oh, I like these stacks. I have the teal colored one, but I don't have this pink one. And like I said, I love these small skinny trims because I seem to use them on everything. Nice. Thank you so much. Definitely use those. Oh, neat. I've never seen any like that. Those are nice. I know I say that a lot, but I do so much shopping. I would think I would see some of this stuff, but a lot of this stuff I haven't. That's one reason I like doing these Cats Meows, because it seems like we can all find different things. Those are really nice. I mean, they're beads, but those are nice. And they're heavy. And some more bead caps. Ooh, and here's a beautiful box. Dun, dun, dun. That's gorgeous. You can be anything you want to be. And it's beautiful. Look at that. Let's see if I can adjust the camera some. There. That's a beautiful box. Oh, there's something heavy in here. Huh? That's a beautiful box. What is it? How cool. It's to melt the wax like tarts. And what's funny is the last Cats Meow I was in, I got the wax tarts, but I didn't have one of these. So I was just using a coffee cup on a coffee cup warmer to melt them because I didn't have one of these. And now I have one. Thank you so much. That's funny. You didn't even know I needed one of these. But I did because I don't have one. And I have all those tarts. And I've been melting them in a coffee cup. Thank you so much. And it came in this beautiful box. Beautiful box. Oh, and she gave me some more. Ooh, I gotta open these and smell them. Ocean Peony. Oh, they smell wonderful. Tiki Beach Trio. Oh, those smell good too. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You know, I don't know why, but these little things make me so supremely happy. They really do. Isn't that funny? Oh, and these go in the bottom of it. You sent me everything for it. So sweet. You sent me everything for it. Thank you, thank you. I will put that to good use because I love using candles and diffusers and anything that's beautiful, good smelling. Wow. She made me a loaded pocket. Wow. A beautiful one too. Oh. I love the way it feels. It just feels good. There's her pretty name. She has such a pretty name. Amarylis Casanova. Beautiful name. It feels so good. Look at all the stuff she put in the back. Beautiful wand. Aw, this makes me so happy. Beautiful wand. Beautiful tool. A beautiful doily. Beautiful. And this matches the box that she gave me. Love that. I have a couple of girlfriends that that would be perfect for. Look at that cute stamp. A little something sweet. Nice. She left it blank and I can use it. That is a cute little card. Oh, there's something else. Goodness gracious. Oh, she did a bunch. Oh, my word. She did a bunch of them. Oh, that one's cute. These are like die cuts. Amarylis, that's so sweet. Be the change you want to see in the world. Beautiful little tag. Aw, thank you. I love doing these cat's meows. They make me happy. I just love this. I love it. I think I said before I'm very tactile. I love the way things feel. And that's a pretty ribbon. It's a pretty flower. It's made out of ribbon. And she sent these and packaged them so pretty. Beautiful little flowers. And packaged them so pretty. And this beautiful little hearts. I just love this kind of stuff. Oh, I love this. I can put this on my planner. Oh, I love it. I'm going to put that on my planner. Love it. I know I'm spending too long on this. What am I at? I'm at 14 minutes. This thing is full. I love how she packaged everything. Look at this pretty little trim. Isn't that pretty flower? And buttons. These are from Britain. From the UK. Nice. Wonderful little wood sentiments. Oh, I've got one of these dies. I never thought to use it like that. That is cute. She used the dress form die by Tim Holtz and wrapped ribbon around it. is a ribbon holder. That's a good idea. Wow, this thing is chock full. Wonderful embellishments. Wonderful embellishments. I love all these colors. And she made these. You know, I've made bows before, but mine never turn out this beautiful. I love these. I love the way you package them. Love it. Love it. Y'all are probably like, y'all, you need to move on. Oh, cool. So gonna have to hide this from my daughter. It's a coloring journal. Ooh, I love it. Love it. I'm in love. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I'm going to use that tonight. That'll be a nice going to bed activity. Color some in my new coloring journal. I'm going to put some of this stuff back. I'm going to leave that out because I'm going to use it in the coloring journal tonight. I'm going to use it tonight. Okay, I think this is the last thing. Let me check. God, what an awesome box. When I got home from work, was this yesterday? I can't remember. Was it Friday? Because we were busy all weekend and I couldn't do these. They've been sitting on my desk for at least one day and I couldn't open them. But I had 3 boxes, 3 Cat's Meow boxes, all on my front porch. And I had to assure my husband that I did not go crazy shopping. But it wasn't like an Amazon purchase. This is nice. Wow. This is nice. This is nice. Okay, sorry, my daughter came in. This is so nice. This is so, I mean, this looks like something that you would buy in a store. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Amarylis, this is beautiful. A journaling card. You know, I love that you left it like this. Because a lot of times I use my journals like this for scrapbooks. Which is probably what I'll do with this one. I love this. So sweet of you. I love it. Yes, I am. I am enough. I love this. I absolutely love this. I love that you use this kind of paper. This is like butcher paper. There's the signature. I'm going to be so cheesy. These kind of things make me kind of want to tear up. I just love it. You know, and I find it amazing. We've never met, never even talked. But you sent me something so beautiful. It's such a beautiful cat's meow. And I just opened Cheryl's too, and hers was the same. That kind of blows me away. This is just gorgeous. I like the way you did the signatures. Look how she did the signatures. You see how she did the signatures? So nice. She finished it off so nice. I'm having to look. I mean, golly. This is a beautiful book. Amarylis. It has 4 signatures, doesn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. That's amazing. Amazing. Look at that. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. And look, she left me a lot of room so that I can fill it up. I mean, look how much I can fill it up. She left me a lot of room. I love it. Because when I add pictures and embellishments, and I like that she left room, because usually I forget about that. This is just perfect. Thank you so much, Amarylis. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.